Good morning, welcome to BTP. Michael Jenkin here. Actually, it's just ticked over afternoon, haven't had my coffee yet. Look, we get lots of questions about the hard drives on offer these days. SSD or not to SSD, or to M2 or to SATA or to SAS, or nobody has a clue what's going on out there. So I just thought I'd do a short video just talking about the different types of hard drives. So I'm just going to flick my screen. Right, so down here we got some things, we've got some demonstration bits and pieces. First of all, you've got your traditional hard drive at the bottom here. This traditional hard drive is a SATA mechanical hard drive. This hard drive, you'd expect to be 7200 revolutions per minute. You'd expect it to have a lifespan 3-4 years, and you don't expect it to run 24/7. Inside this are two metal platters, sometimes three, with heads either side that float above the media less than a hair's breadth away from it. So you can think of it as having a couple of discs in there, your normal CD, DVD type style, with your ones and zeros on it, and you've got a needle going across the top, and just not touching the media, just floating above it as it spins around at high speed. Very good for desktops, very good for NAS units. They're your normal, everyday, cheaper hard drive. Then you've got your server hard drives. Similar idea, you've got platters inside, but they go up to 15,000 revs per minute. And these are designed to run 24/7, designed to take the heat, and designed to basically last for a very long time, 5-6 years maybe you can get out of them. Much faster, designed to give you throughput and speed for large amount of network users. Then along come your SSDs. SSDs, first of all, more expensive for the size compared to your normal physical drives. You can pay up to 3 times more for a smaller size. Typically 120 gig, 256 gig or 512 gig. You can get them much bigger than that if you can afford them. This is nothing more than a circuit board. There's no spinning disk, there's no head to crash with the drive media. It's all physical chips inside there. Very much the same as an M2 drive. This is an M2. Now the M2 is just circuit board with a mounted chip on it like that. So you can think of that chip a lot of times over, 16, 17 times over, inside here. Problems with SSDs. Your Windows 7 really was at the infancy of SSDs, so it doesn't understand them that well. The algorithms in Windows 10 are much better for SSDs, and Windows 8, 8.1. The other thing to note is that SSDs do wear out, and so the algorithm is designed to use certain parts of the media at any one time and then rewrite to a different part next time. Try and give you that 3-year warranty so that your drive survives. Early SSDs lost data when they got warm, and also currently SSDs are proven to have algorithms built into them which avoid encryption, which is bad if you want to keep your data private. But other than that, SSDs are super quick. They are fantastic for speeding up old machines, giving them a new burst of life. However, not very large. You stick Windows 10 with its updates, let's say 8 gig for an update, average update. You stick antivirus on it and a few other things, and you run out of space on 110, 120 gig real quick. So spend a bit more dollars and either go to a large SATA drive, physical drive, say 2 terabyte, or if you've got the cash, put in a larger SSD. You do get speed increases out of SSDs. Your M2s are pretty much in your microcomputers, in your Intel NUCs and your HP thin computers, things like that. That's actually a 32 gig drive there. This one is 120 gig, and then you've got 345 gig SAS, and then you've got your 2 terabyte monster drives there, which are your big physical with your platters. So these ones here, your platters can get scratched. Your little heads inside can jam against the platters. The actual motor inside that drives the heads can fail. Technically, they're not fantastic foolproof system, but they've lasted the test of time. Generally with these, if you delete something or have a head crash, you can get some data back. With SSDs, it's a lot harder. But really, it's up to you if you want speed, performance, or you want to pay. Generally speaking, we're now starting to put in a lot more SSDs in combination with physical. So the SSDs is for Windows to give you the boot speed and the operating speed, but your data gets saved on a physical SATA, and that way you get the best of both worlds. So when you're talking hard drives with us, that's what you'll see now coming out in laptops and workstations, and basically from there we'll try and give you the advice to suit your business. So here at BTP, it's not about one size fits all. We don't sell a drive to suit everyone's situation. We find out about you, what you need. So look, if you like this explanation, makes sense to you, share it around on Facebook, share it, comment, let us know what you'd like to see. I'm commenting on this because we're seeing a lot more quotes based on these things. But yeah, look, that's my today's tip for you, what it's all about. Stay tuned for tomorrow.